member Paul Dangshuji.
Start question 115, sir.
माननीय अध्यक्ष महोदय माननीय विधायक श्री पाल दांशु महोदय क्वेश्चन नंबर होच्छे 115. Number 1, do government have plan to regularize SSA or contractual teachers? Answer, regularization process started and total 113 numbers of eligible contract teachers of Sarva Shiksha Abhijan, that is SSA, as per scheme by notification dated 30/9/2021 have been regularized. Meanwhile, a case regarding regularization of Sarva Shiksha Abhijan contract teacher is pending in the Honorable Supreme Court of India. Question number 2, if yes, then when? The matter is sub judice as stated in reply to question number 1. Number 3, if not, then why? The matter is sub judice as stated in reply number 1.
Supplementary, sir. Sir, our SSA teachers, despite of serving their duties for more than 20 years, and after 2 times verdict of Honorable High Court, our state is yet to regularize them. Sir, in 10 years, 1 MSCPS is applied. Now it's more than 20 years, so 2 MSCPS should be applied. Sir, SSA teachers are fully qualified now in terms of RTE Act and NCTE regulation. Sir, they have completed their DLED also from recognized institutes. And sir, now already it is grouped and categorized as 1, 2, 3 ABC. We all know, sir, what kind of duty they are doing. Be it midday meal duty, be it taking charge over the school, be it BLO, election duties, surveys. If our state withdraw SLP, sir, if our state withdraw SLP, I think our state will only need to bond 10% of their salary. As our state comes under special category, 90% of their salary must be borne by center, sir. And what will be the condition of the teachers who died while in duty, sir? More than 200 teachers
Please conclude.
have
Please
died,
conclude.
sir, because there is no die in harness scheme and there is no pension facilities also, sir. That's why I request Honorable Chief Minister to kindly withdraw the SLP and regularize, because they deserve structured pay, sir. They deserve respectful pay. They are doing their duty like regular teachers, sir. So I request to give them the financial security to withdraw the SLP, and not only SSA teachers, sir, all the other contractual teachers, be it vocational teachers, be it ICT, be it BRP, CRP, sir. They are doing their duty like regular teachers. So this will be my earnest request to the Honorable Minister to kindly withdraw the SLP and regularize them.